Yo, this is your boy Leo from Why Waste. Today I'm going to show you how to make a compost for free, right? We're going to do it out of pallets. You can steal them, you can borrow them, whatever. Then you need a drill and you need some screws. So the first thing we need to do is score our pallets. You can borrow them or find them or steal them. They're kind of all around business sites, industrial area. You know, usually people are happy for us to take them away. So, and then we're just going to need bare minimum 3. So we're going to have 3 sides. We can maybe put a front on if we like, but we're essentially just going to screw them together. So the compost needs to be a metre squared. This gives enough room for thermophillic bacteria to move in. We're talking like a metre by a metre by a metre of microbial orgy. Right, check this out. So see this little stamp, HT? That means it's heat treated. It can also say KD, kiln dried, but you want to watch out for MB, which is methyl bromide. So that's just full of poisons and probably not great for your compost or your garden, all right? Right, so we're just attaching our last wall. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh. So to get it nice and strong, we're going to drill in the top, the middle and the bottom, and make sure you're drilling through these into these on that other one. So I'm going through the thin one into the thick one. Yeah! So we've just built this killer compost for free. You can build 1, you can build 2, you can build 3, or if you feel like it, you can add a front wall to it. Makes it nice and tidy, but it's not entirely necessary for the functionality. Just needs another screw or maybe a rope so that you can undo it, so that when it's full, you can harvest your gangster ass fertility. Haha! Check out ywaste.co.nz for more permaculture solutions. We're into minimizing waste, building soil, and increasing community resilience. Che! Doge. Whoa. Yep.